My name is Abubakar Fofana, and this is my simple pendulum oscillation project. So I'll be using Skittles as my mass, and I'll be using a ruler to measure the length of the string, and I'll be using a protractor to measure the angles. And looking at the string, I don't have a string, the white strings, I don't have that, so I have the string in my dorm room that I'm using, and I'll connect it to another string so I can meet the required length. So after using the ruler to measure, from this angle right here to the method right here is 80 centimeter. From there to the next one is 100, and from that green spot to the next green spot is 120. From that green spot to the next one is 140. And one thing I observe is, like, the longer the string, the higher the time gets. So if the string is short, the time gets lessened while doing oscillations. And when the string is longer, like for example, when the string is goes from 100 to 120, the time keeps increasing. So as you can see, I placed my protractor right here so I can measure the angle, because the string is already measured from down there to right here is 80 centimeter. So for example, so I'm doing the testing for the 80 centimeter, 10 degrees. It's oscillating 1, 2, 3. I'm currently using my phone because I don't have another timer, but this is my setup, and the 80 centimeter will normally get around, for the 10 degrees, like 13 seconds to maybe 13.50, something like that for the 80 centimeter. And for the 100 centimeter, I will normally get, which is like right here, I'll normally get where the green dot is, I will normally get around 15.50 to 15.70. I wish I had another phone to do the timer so you guys can see, but this is the only phone I have to do this. So let me try the 100 centimeter, 20 degrees oscillating. 1, 2, 3, 4. By the way, my hand is the pivot right here, it's not moving. 6, 7. So for the 20 degrees, the time is a little bit higher than the 10 degrees, because I think the bigger the angle, the more time it takes for it to oscillate from one side to the other. Like I said, I don't have another timer to use to record it. I wish I had a better string than this, because it will have made life more easier. But this string, I think, kind of worked and helped me figure out the times for each length. Now, these are the values that I got from each length. You see, the 80 degrees is around 80 centimeters, sorry, is around 13 seconds for the 10 degrees. 100 is around 15, 120 is around 17, and 140 is around 19 for the 10 degrees. And if you head to the 20 degrees, you see the 80 is around 14, 100 is around 16, the 120 is around 18, and the 140 centimeter is around 20.6. And I'll be finding the acceleration due to gravity using the formula very soon. And thank you guys.